In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Victoria's Secret gift card. So for those people who do not know Victoria's Secret is a fashion company which sells, clothes and other stuff. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can get a gift card. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment and let's move on, shall we? First step is you want to go to Amazon.com and log in into your account. Now for this purpose, I'm using Amazon, but you can use whichever online store you want to buy that gift card. For me, Amazon is easy, so I'm gonna go on Amazon. So once you're over here, you wanna search for Victoria's Secret gift card. After you search for Victoria's Secret gift card, you want to choose whether you want this one or this one, the first or the second. I want to go with this, secret pink gift card, so I'm gonna go with this over here, the first option. Once I'm over here, I'm going to enter the amount. I want a $60 one, so I'm going to enter $60 over here. And since it's an email gift card, I need to enter the email of the person to whom I want to send this. Since I want to send it to myself, I'm going to enter my own email over here real quick. After entering the email, I'm going to enter the name of myself over here. And if I want to write a message, I can. But if I don't want to, I can leave it empty over here like this. And over here, I can choose the quantity. And over here, I can choose the delivery date. Since I want this to be emailed to myself tomorrow, I'm going to choose 4. Now, once I choose 4, I'm going to click on buy now. Once I click on buy now, it's going to take me to the checkout section over here. And once I'm over here, I can, enter my payment detail. After entering my payment detail, basically the card will be purchased and it will be sent to the email on the delivery date. So that's basically how you guys can buy Victoria's Secret gift card. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then and have a nice day.